Hey, what's up my fellow collectors? This is the Unknown Collector, also known as Expect the Unknown, and I'm here with another video of unboxing slash showcase of the Ragnorak Door 3, the Ragnorak Gladiator Hulk, the Incredible Hulk. The Gladiator version is finally here. I finally got it. It's one of my grails I wanted to get since I got the door, and I was like, yo, I can't have the door without without Hulk, and it finally came. You already know, guys. All you gotta do is like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Let's get that 1,000 subscriber by the end of this year. I know you guys can make that happen for me, all right? Let's go and check out this humongous box of Hot Toy.
Oh, American dream.
First of all, look at it, got a carrying case. It got a handle right here that you could, look at this box right here. Guys, this is humongous, dude. This is the big box, it's pretty heavy. And look at how the box is. It's not even getting in the whole frame of the picture right here. It's ridiculous how big this sucker is. Look at, got the shipper box right here. Got a carrying handle right here. You can carry it. I went upon myself and I opened it. Let's go and open this sucker up. I had to go upstairs in my living room, my dining room, to show you this showcase, this unboxing, because it's too big for me to unbox it in the regular table downstairs at the collector's dungeon up downstairs. Let's go and get this open. Oh my god, gotta be careful because this is a pricey, high-end collectible. That's it right there. Put that right there. Oh, looking beautiful. Look at the box right here with the plastic. You already see it. The Incredible Hulk. And let's go and take this plastic off and undress this box. Beautiful. Real beautiful. Nice. Get to inside. It's a big box. Be careful. Don't want to damage. Believe it or not, these boxes aftermarket, it worth money because some people throw it away, and this is a piece of art, these boxes, and it worth money because in case somebody want to ship it or want to resell it, and people want the original box and the original shipper box, so you gotta make sure it don't get damaged. Oh my god. This thing is beautiful. Let me put this carefully on the side. Guys, let me lift it up carefully. Hopefully, look at this. Look at this monster right here. Look at this. Don't worry. I'm gonna show you everything close up. All the accessories. All the close-up that you need to see, but you already see how big this monster is right here. Now look at this monster. is ridiculous. Just gonna lift this up, put that right there. I gotta even be standing up to see this guy. Woo-wee! Dude, I am so proud that I got this figure. It was a little expensive, but I always wanted an Incredible Hulk for Hot Toys, and I finally got it. And I think I got the best version because it's Gladiator Hulk, dude. The comics of Gladiator Hulk, he was the bomb. And now we got an official Gladiator Hulk with his armor. Let's take him out. Let's got his battle axe. Look at this. How the battle axe. Look at. Don't worry. I'm gonna show you some close up on him. Every little piece, I'm gonna show you some close up like that. You can see the details that I'm seeing is ridiculous. Look at how big this sucker is. That's the battle axe. The Warhammer. Look at this guy. Look at a Warhammer. Yes, the Warhammer. Got some weight to it. Put that to the side. Alright, let's go and take. Look at this. Look at how big. This is his. It reminds me of 300 with these little hats right here. The Trojans. That is off the hook right here. He does come with 2 head scopes. So one of the other head scope is, let me take the plastic off. The way they did the tongue, the teeth, magnificent. Magnificent! Look at this guy, look at this, look at this. Don't worry, I tell you, don't worry about it. I'm gonna show you some close up on him. Unbelievable. And yes, you could open the head, comes out. You could, they got articulated eyes. You can move the eyes wherever you want to look. You want to look that side? Let's look that side. Perfect. Put that right back. I'm going to show you how to put this in and out from his head. Gotta come perfect. Okay. Right there. You heard that snap? That means it's snapped in there correctly. Let me put that to the side. Got a piece of head that you have to adjust to put the hat on. Alright. Take this out. And here comes where his another hand. This is the weapon holding hand. Holds the battle axe or the Warhammer. Then the open palm hand right here. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, these are articulated fingers, dude. It's like this hard rubber that stays in place. So Yes, articulated fingers. Except the thumb is not. The thumb is not articulated, but the fingers are. That is pretty cool. I like that. That's one side. He gets 3 sets of hands. One set of hands holding the weapon hands, left and right, and gets that. Then he gets the other articulated hand. Right there, he gets another one of those. So, and then he gets a set of fisted hands. So he gets 3 sets of hands. So that's good. Alright, what else is in here? These are the side of his helmet. These little pieces right here, you connect it on the side of the face for the helmet to go right here. So this is, you connect that in the side of the helmet and put that right there. Alright, let's get the monster out. Whoa. Oh my God, this sucker got some weight to it. Look at this guy. Go put that, take that off, take this off, put this on the side, make sure it don't fall. Oh my God, dude. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. I hope you could you can see him. Look at this guy. Don't worry, we're gonna show some close up on him. Look how big this guy is. One also right there. You could put this flap up, and then it got the ratchet joints. You could bring this up. This is as much as it goes. You hear the racket joints. This goes all around. All around. The elbow goes to 70 degrees. That's it. And the elbow have the racket joints. Same go here. 70 degrees, not 90. Racket joints. It got on the waist, goes side to side. So I got a waist movement, then got side to side waist, and slightly ab crunch. Then on the leg, this much right here, and the legs are on the racket joint too. The knees could go to 70 degrees like that, and they also on the racket joints. Same thing here. It got Ankle got a pivot on the ankle, side to side, up and down slightly, not much. Same thing to the other one. Take these plastic off. For being a big guy, he does got good articulation. You got a magnetized right there. You can put the helmet on right here, magnetized from the top. Those side things goes right here. So I'm not putting them on right now, but you put the side things easy with this head scope, just snaps right in on it. If you don't like it, you put that. The other head scope, you gotta take a couple of pieces out, whatever. But enough said, let's go get some real nice close up on these guys, alright? So let's go.
Young rapping dude, might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew. I roll out in the morning light, whip that Harley bike, all black, I'm the party.
Alright, we're back. And this is gonna be the close up on them. Let's get the head scope right there. Look at that. Look at that head scope, dude. Looking all beautiful. Nice. And that's what you're talking about, that head scope. Show you the front chest right there. Like I was saying, this is goes up and down. Get a little close up on the chest. Look at that, the details. You could the chest here. He got a little piece fuzz right there. The war paint. The armor. Look at the armor right there. Let's go. Nice. The sun is going down. Let's go down to the waist. Look at the details on the waist. Can't go wrong. The fisted arms, or hands, I mean. Goes all around. Look at. Look at his back, dude. Look at the muscles on him. The details all the way to the sandal straps. Let's turn them around. Working with my hand. Look at it. Look at the toes, them big ass toes. You don't want to foot up your ass with these feet. Excuse me, my kids, but you definitely don't want to foot up your beep behind with these kind of feet, because you will get destroyed. Like that. Let's go check out the other head scope. Oops. This is the other head scope right there. Let's make sure. Look at this. Look at the head scope on this guy. Look at the inside, the tongue, his teeth. You can move his eyes to look sideways, forward, up and down. Here he got bushy hair right here. He got longer hair in this one than the other one. I don't know when he got a haircut, but you can take that piece, the head piece off, and put the Trojan hat on. So good close up right there. Look at this. Look at the eye. Not sure if it's glass eyes, but the eyes look real. The teeth, the tongue, just all around good head scope, guys. Let's go to his accessories now. Let's go. Now, first will be his battle hat, this Trojan hat I call it. Look at the details on it in the back. The hair, it's movable. Look at this. Battle damage right there in the front. Magnetized, you put it on the top. It's magnetized. Let's go to the next one. Alright, here goes the battle axe. I mean the battle hammer, the war hammer. I call it the war hammer. Let's go see the details on this one. So somebody get hit with this by the Incredible Hulk. Oh my God, they're done. They are done. Look at the handle. Nice right there. Let's go to the battle axe. Alright, here comes the battle axe. Got the little scrapes for battle damage. And look at the shiny when it goes curved. It looks like it's sharpened, but it's not. Scrapes and dents and chipped on the blade right there. Same thing. Got this rubber piece handle. So that's the battle axe right there. Let's go to the next one. Alright, these are the weapon holding hands. Like it right there. Like it. You could put the battle axe in there or the warhammer. Same thing with the, I think this is the left or right, I'm not sure, but it's the same thing as the left or right. Then we got the open one. This is the holes right there. Gives it a little breather when, gives it air to come out when you're bending. This you could, the fingers are articulated, so you can bend it. It's hard rubber, it will stay in place. The thumb is not, it's not articulated. You cannot move the thumb. It's stiff, but you could move these fingers, whether you want to pose them with his middle finger up, or a peace sign, or the horns. It's up to you. Same thing goes to the other arm too, the other hand. Same thing articulated. So he got 3 sets of hands: fisted hands, articulated finger hands, and the weapon holding hands. Alright, did I miss anything? Let's see the side of the helmet. These go on the side of the helmet, the Trojan helmet. You put it on the side next to his cheek, and it'll cover his cheeks. So when everything's put together, it looks really nice. So that's that. Same thing goes to the other side.
Him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.
I'm done with the unboxing. I'm done with the showcase. This is right here, his final resting place, until I decide to give him a different pose. Alright, but he's right there, the Incredible Hulk, with his partner, Gladiator door. I hope you like the unboxing. Guys, press that like button. Press if you're already a subscriber, press that notification bell. Like that, it lets you know when I make another video or when I'm on streaming. Alright guys, so let's go and get that 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I know you guys can make that happen for me, and let's go guys. I stream every night between 9 and 10 until I fall asleep, and I literally fell asleep streaming before, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, 7 days a week I stream, 9 to 10, all different games guys. But if you guys got any suggestions on different games that you want to see me stream, let me know in the comments below. And check out my social medias in the link in my description. So hit me up with a follow, hit me with a follow up, and on twitch.tv and on Mixer I go by the name of Expect Unknown. So that's it guys. All I gotta say is expect unknown. Peace.